All right, so we have another day of data. So 418, we're on data day 4. So we're looking at several different things here. First one is kind of dealing with what attribute is being measured and then what unit they're using. So what attribute is what kind of thing you're measuring. Okay, so here, the attribute that's being measured on this one is actually house price. Okay, now, it depends on what kind of graph you're dealing with as to where that would be. You just have to understand what is being measured. Okay. On histograms, it might be across the bottom. Unit being used to measure here would be US dollars. All right. Second one, the list shows the number of teachers at different schools. Which plot best represents this list? Okay. So if you'll notice here, that's 14 and 18. That means this has to be 16. So that can't be right. Okay. Um, you just have to make sure you're reading it carefully. Like this would be at 33, not 32, right? So can't be that one. All right. So here, this is 14, 16. So that is 2 15s. That would work. 18, that works. 21 works. 3 26s, a 27, a 28, then a 30, and a 32. That should be it. Let's check. 2 15s. Okay. And 18, then this would be at 20, not 21. So that's why that one's wrong. Okay. And then here we have 2 15s. That's right. And 18, a 21, because that's 20. Then 3 26s, a 28. There's a 29 there, so that's wrong too. 30 and 32. Okay. Third one, the list shows the weights and pounds of different laptops. Which dot plot best represents the list? Okay, so notice here, this one's so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's takes 5 little spots, that means that's by 0.2. So 3.2, 3.4, 3.6. Very useful to kind of label them. Okay. So we need 1 3.2. Okay. 1 3.4. Okay. But we don't need a 3.6. So that's wrong. Okay. So the same thing here. So that's 3.2, 3.4. Cool. All right. Then we need a 3.8. Hooray. But we don't have a 4. So that can't be it. All right. Here, 3.2. Cool. 3.4. Yeah. 3.8. Good. Then 4. Yeah. Then 2 4.6s right here. 4.2, 4.4, 4.6. 2. Then 1 at 5. That works. So this would be 5.2. Yeah. 5.4. Yeah. And 5.6. Should be C. Let's prove one of the other ones wrong, and then we'll be good. So we just need to prove one of them is off. Okay, so we look at 3.2, okay. 3.4, okay. 3.8, okay. 4, okay. Is there 4.2, 4.4, 4.6? No. Okay, so there's two 4.8s, not 4.6s. Okay, that's how you would prove that. All right. Number 4, wingspan of owls at a bird sanctuary are listed below. Which histogram best represents the data? Okay, so we got 51 to 53 inches. We need, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 54 to 56. We need 3. 1, 2, 3. 57 to 59. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's incorrect. And then it has 4 on 60 to 62. So it was off by 1. Okay. This is how you have to do it. You just go through them carefully like this. If you do, it's not that hard. Okay, so 51 to 54 on this one, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 55 to 58, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. So that's wrong. All right, this one we have 51 to 53 is the range of the category. So we need 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 in the 54 to 56 range. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We need 6 in 57 to 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 from 60 to 62. 1, 2, 3. Should be right. Let's prove the other one wrong. 51 to 54, there need to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we already proved it wrong. Okay. All right. The distribution that is symmetrical, there's symmetries kind of pretty close to even on either side. That would be D. Skewed left, that means the little tail is to the left. So that would be this one. All right. So that would be C. And then skewed right means the tail is to the right. So that's over here. All right, number 8, the histogram shows the total number of children of different age groups at Paula's play care, which 2 statements describe the data in the histogram. Okay, so it has gaps. No gaps. There's no holes in between the bars. The distribution is symmetrical. Yes. Asymmetrical means A means not, so that would be not symmetrical. Nope. It has no gaps. Yes. The data is clustered from 2 to 7. Not really, it's evenly distributed. And the data has no outlier. That would be if there's one way over here somewhere. All right, what percent of the laptops from problem 3 weigh less than 5 pounds? So I put the list on here. So less than 5 pounds. So if you're thinking, wait, does that include 5? No, 5 is not less than 5. So it's all the ones less than 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them weigh less than 5 pounds out of the total number of laptops, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 laptops. So what percent is that? Well, to get from 10 to 100 is times 10. What you do on the bottom, you do on the top. So that's 60 over 100, which is 60%. All right, 60%. Okay. So get this turned in. Also, make sure you got weekly review 10 turned in as well. So major grade.